Hey, this car, my C7 Corvette, it's incredible. It's an incredible American iconic sports car. Very good. I have been owning this car less than a month, but I already love it. Actually, I can daily drive this car. I have another car, but you can absolutely drive this car, do some basic shopping. Let me show you something. The hood, okay? No, the trunk. Okay. Let me tell you. Let me show you something. See this bag? Put here. Wow. You see? This is a big trunk. This is a big trunk. So yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. And it's a beautiful car. So I will drive this car around here, around the town. So I will show you some POV views about driving this car. Incredible, beautiful, beautiful car. And sometimes it reminds me, it's like a Batmobile. The Batman is one of my favorite American comics. Batman, Dark Knight. So this color looks like a Batmobile. So we go to highway and we do some highway drive, and it's really kill me at the traffic light. So I don't like wait at the traffic light at all, especially in this car, because many people want to challenge you. Believe me, you drive this car, this type of car, many people want to challenge you. Even they drive just like a sedan, or even like some truck, some trucks, pickup truck. Some pickup truck, they want to challenge me at the start line. Now it's time. Enter the highway. Enter the highway. Acceleration! Wow! Third gear. Hit the 80 miles. Third gear. that is the acceleration I want to talk about. There is a fourth gear. That's all. There's no need to put higher gear. It's already, very fast. It's already fast, so no need to put higher gear. Acceleration! Oh man, I love this car. This road is good. Only this small section. Only this small section. Oh man. You must be careful driving this car. Watch cops, a lot of cops.